Welcome to the Stuttering Channel. And today, we're playing a game, 5 rounds of Murder Mystery 2. There, victory. Laugh. This guy's laughing on that girl. Keeping it family friendly, huh? What do you camper? Interesting words. I love this server. Go work. Yeehaw! I'm an NPC. So, can anybody give me free gully, please? If I get a gully, I'll flex on you on my stuttering channel. Just kidding. Don't do that. Okay, round begin. Yes, and I'll lag less than 1 FPS. Fart. Hi, you didn't see me. What the heck? What? Die! Yes. Oh wait, no, I didn't mean to say die. It's very mean to say die. Die! I keep lagging. I'm dead. How am I not dead? I have many reasons to not die. How are you? Hold up. Hey. Yes, very lagged. They're dancing on my crippled body. Yes, indeed, night guy. How did he fling me though? He's hacking. Is he hacking? I think I got a better mic. Maybe. I hope in the editing process. Yes, thank you. I have a mic now. Okay. As a tape, if you can't see, just ignore the part what I said. 2 minutes in this editing process video. Please like and subscribe. Boom. Innocent. Okay, good. I'm using sand as my new sword. Hello, I'm gonna kill you. Let me off you. Stop swearing. Please stop swearing. I know kill isn't a swear word, but I'm keeping it family friendly. Cool. Santa buddies. 3 Santa buddies. Ooh. 3 Santa buddies. Woohoo. Okay, now I'm gonna eat a cookie. Someone got oofed. I thought. What is this? Okay. Down the sewers. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope this doesn't get copyrighted once again. I literally had 2 other copyrighted videos. Gunshots. This guy's trying to escape. 10 coins. Wow, that's very interesting. I'm gonna flex on you. 2,000. Haha, beat that. Maybe they're gonna have 100,000. In the comments, they probably say, I have 100,000. Even though I have nobody watching me, literally 0 views and 0 comments. I do this every single day. Okay, I should not scream at my viewers. My viewers are very nice, very kind. I'm changing content. Changing content might bring some more viewers. I'm done being a child. I can't upload my granny video. because of YouTube. I think I can upload this video. I didn't die. I didn't die. I didn't die. Ah! I think I'm going to oof any moment. Okay, good. So someone just got expelled. Someone got expelled. They rested in peace. What jokes am I saying in 2025? Very corny. I'm so corny. Tee-hee. Ah! Don't play with knives. That's a good warning for kids in 2025. Okay, I'm just gonna dip this in sewer water and get sorts of bacterial diseases. I might get algae. Man, that bacteria's disease. Hey, victory! Okay, no more screaming on my mic. Mike! I'm still screaming. Yes. Maxi boy. Okay, was that the second round or third round? I don't know. Okay, that was the second round, I think. We're going into a mansion! A beautiful mansion! With books! That we can... Oh, is this the third round? My client is asking me if it's the third round, I think. Not client, actually, it's my brother. Brother. Stop throwing trash. Stop throwing trash. Trash! I'm screaming. I shouldn't scream. This bacon is about to kill me. Not. Oof. We'll just call it oof. Like the reel alone. What you got? I got a turtle. Let's see. Let's see. No? Okay. No, I don't. What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm having trouble speaking in front of my viewers. Even though I have none. I hope this blows up one day. Get them coins. Get them coins. Get them coins. I'm dead. Let's shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him. Yay! That was the only kill, I think. Okay, that was probably the fourth round. I lost counting! Okay. Kenzo. Snowman glove. What? Snowman. Okay. Oh, look at this cute bag. A sip. Oh. Yeah, he doesn't like me anymore. What do I speak? I'm innocent. Snowman. Bro, toxic. Toxic waste. Ha. Dumpster. Ha. Moments before the disaster. Yep, that's what I'm calling it. Ooh. Wait! Oh my word! Ah! Duck. Whoa. Lagging. Hold up. Eh. 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 This is the last round, boys, ladies and gentlemen, and nothing. This is the last round for my video to end. So I'm just gonna skip this. Trade with me. No. Okay. Back another again with a innocent roll. I'm so innocent. I have my Santa and cookie. My voice is gonna be so weird in the video. If I die once, if I oof, I forgot that friendly. I don't know what to say anymore. Please, Lord help me. Yay! I think that's the murderer. I saw that. I saw the knife throwing at me, and I think he. CNG, please, straight. Except he threw a. Wow. How did? Okay. So, anyways, this was a fun video that I made. Please sub and like my YouTube channel. Woo, cool YouTube channel. Woo. And see you in the next video. Bye. And please watch my videos again. Really supports my channel. Not forcing though. Okay, bye.